Going into a pretty good tape this morning, PVH is down about 1.5%. Jim, one of the few retailers really that has said Q2 is going to be worse than Q1 was.
Wow. Manny Trico, whom I've known many times and has come on for years and years, was I think he was quite negative and talked about how there are many retailers that are really going to struggle here. He said this year was a mess. He said that he used the term BS. He said no BS. This is a very tough time for retail. There are only a few retailers that I think are going to come through this thing unscathed. One of them has a stock that's down that I think actually should be up, which is Lululemon. I like that quarter very much, and I think that there's a lot to recommend. PVH does not have necessarily the brands, so that's Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger, that can sustain. Lululemon's been a fantastic work at home, play at home company, and I thought the numbers were good, and it wouldn't surprise me if that stock is able to have a run. Now, when we talk about, by the way, what's running before market, I say, well, let's deal with the facts. Adobe was better than expected. People thought that was down. That down was really bad last night. That was a mistake. I think that Lulu is better than expected. I think that American Air is not better than expected. I think the Genius Brands, which trades like a Mexican jumping bean, it's got up, down, is the kind of thing that people are focused on because it's a $4 stock. And I just got to tell you, Carl, I don't mind people losing money, but I'd rather them lose money in real stocks so that they can buy more of them than buy stocks and then sell them because they're not up by 10 o'clock. And that's what I really fear. I have no desire to be a killjoy. I think you should buy a stock like Lululemon when it's down because it's most likely going to be up a few months from now because it's such a great brand. And it did well. I think that we are in an unfortunate period where there are a lot of people who would not buy when the Dow was down 1,700, and they waited for the futures to come out of their slump, and now they come in. And it would have been far better had they been buying into the decline than coming in all excited this morning.